Okay, let's put this into polygon, then pop into our perspective mode. Let's pop around and just have a look here now. What we're going to do is delete some of these polygons here. Got our select tool, we're in polygons. Just select those down there, and let's press delete on that section. And ignore back facing on. Uncheck that, and let's get these down here. Delete those. Yep, and let's have a look. Pull it down. Control X. Let's see if we can see those a little bit better. Delete them. Now let's have a look. Yep, that looks okay-ish. Right, let's just pull out a little bit, pop up to our layers manager, and goes in tail section. I want to unhide the rear wheel now. Let's close that. Let's come up to root, W for our select and move tool. Let's take it across because we want to get the thickness now for this. Okay, let's try our scale tool. So that's R. Let's just pull that out a little bit. W for our, and then scale tool again. R. Open that up. W. That doesn't look too bad. Okay, so whilst it's there, let's put a shell on it. Outer amount, no, we'll zero that and we'll have an inner amount. Let's have a look. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah. Okay. Left view, Z for zoom. Right. Well, let's just see how this bears up under a turbo smooth. That doesn't look too bad. Put it in perspective mode again. Let me just have a look around there. Yeah. That's okay. Left zoom, bring that back. Okay, I'm going to collapse this now. Collapse it to, come on, convert to an editable poly. That doesn't look 3 bad at all. You know, it's terrible because I've got a tune in my head and I just can't get rid of it. I will just adjust the pivot point on this, so up to hierarchy, effect pivot only. We'll go center to the object first of all, then what I want to do is just take this up to about there. Okay, yep, let's switch that off. Now let me just actually get this centered to there. That's it. Now deselect. I'm going to pop up to link. What I want to do is just link this to this. And if I zoom back now, pop into perspective mode. Just like this for a moment. Let's have a look. Yep, certainly works. Good. Let's undo that so it goes back into its original position. And back into left viewport, zoom, and pull back. And we froze again. Actually, we didn't do a great deal. What I did was actually give this a name, wheel bracket, and I called up the bolt that we had in our layers manager and made a copy of it. So basically what I was doing was putting the bolt in position down here. Okay, let's bring that across to there, and up to there. And then of course I could have done a mirror copy. Oh, that was it, I needed to take it in. Yep. So let's take it down. Oh, what's going on there? I've grabbed it. Left, zoom. I don't know, when things start going wrong, they all seem to be going wrong at the same time. Put it into perspective mode, zoom around a little bit, grab that, take it into position there, that's it, just so it's touching the surface. I think what I'll do is press shift, make a quick copy. What is happening? It is playing up. Let's pop round. Yes, okay. Pop round to the other side. Bring it out. Let's twizzle it about. Let's put this on. So 90. Let's take it 180 degrees. Is it? There we go. Let's just put that in position. More or less there. Okay, that doesn't look too bad. Left, let's go zoom, pull back, and I think what we'll do is select this, pop down, and we're going to go attach. Let's select bolt 2, pop round, select bolt 3. Yep, we're getting there. Switch attach off, deselect, and while we're at it, we'll give this a colour, just give it the regular steel grey for the time being. Into our left viewport, Z for zoom. Let's just pull back a little bit. Okay, up to create. We're going to create a cylinder for this section here now. So cylinder, let's about there. Push it back to give it some depth. Let's change the colour. Okay. Height segments, cap segments 32, that's fine. Let's rotate this around a little bit. 90 degrees. That one 90 degrees there. Fine. W for our select and move tool. Let's place that there and pop down. Let's just give it a bit more height. There. Take this up to about there. Bring it across for the moment. Convert it to an editable poly. Come on. Editable poly. Onto our Swift loop. Let's put one there. One there. And one there. right click to end the action. Let's pop into polygon. I'm going to select that one, press shift, select the one next to it, up to this one, pressing control, press shift, beautiful, and then let's pop down to extrude. There we go, extrude. We want this by local normals, and let's bring it down to about there and say OK for the time being. Now we can come up to the root, and let's go P for perspective viewport. Let's rotate around a little bit. I want to select this one. Let's pop in hierarchy, effect pivot only, center, and close that down. Let's bring it across, try getting that into position there. Pop around here, wants to go into there a little bit. Bring it down a touch. Okay. Now, effect pivot only, what I need to do is bring that right down to the base section there. Say OK for that. Left viewport, zoom, come up here a little bit, and let's rotate this about this angle. Bring that up to there, down into there a little bit more. Is it about there? Yep. That's good so far. Right, mindful of the time, I think we'll continue this in the next session. Okay, I'll catch you later.